any number that can be expressed in the ratio of integers p and q, that is, in p by q form, such that q cannot be 0, is called a rational number. For example, 3 by 4, 5 by minus 11, minus 13 by 7. Consider rational numbers 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Let's represent them on number line. For that, we divide each unit in 5 equal parts and locate 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. It appears that 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5 but smaller than 4 by 5. So we can say that it is between the two rational numbers 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Let's learn how to find rational number between two rational numbers without number line. Consider two rational numbers 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. For finding rational number between two rational numbers, we must have common denominator. So we must make the denominator same by using the knowledge of LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So given fraction becomes 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Now it appears that these rational numbers come one after other. That is, these are consecutive. So one may wrongly think that there is no rational number between them. However, in fact, there exist infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. To find that, we can multiply numerator and denominator of these numbers by same number. Let's multiply this rational number by 2. So we get 6 by 12 and 8 by 12. It is clear that there exists a rational number 7 by 12 between 6 by 12 and 8 by 12. Just now we found a rational number between given rational numbers. In practice, we can multiply by any number to find more rational numbers. For example, if we multiply by 3, then we get 9 by 18 and 12 by 18. And so we can write more rational numbers, that is 10 by 18, 11 by 18. This is one method of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. There is also another interesting method. Let's find rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. We do so by finding mean, or also called average, of 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. The mean or average is sum of terms divided by number of terms. The mean or average of two rational numbers a and b is a plus b upon 2. In the same way, mean of 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 upon 2. We write it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Let's perform the addition. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Let's make denominators same, that is 6 as shown, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 7 by 6 or 7 by 12. This is one rational number between given rational numbers. Another rational number can be found by obtaining mean of 1 by 2 and 7 by 12, which is 13 by 24. Yet another can be found by taking mean of 7 by 12 and 2 by 3, which comes out to be 15 by 24. Like this, we can find as many rational numbers as we want. Example: find 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We can use any of the earlier method. Let's try method of multiplying by same number. First, make the denominators same. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, so let's make the denominators 15. The rational number 2 by 3 becomes 2 into 5 upon 3 into 5 equals to 10 upon 15, and 4 by 5 becomes 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3 equals to 12 by 15. These two rational numbers have same value as before. Check if there are 3 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. No, there is only one rational number, that is 11 by 15. To find more rational numbers, let's multiply numerator and denominator of the two numbers by 2. So we get 20 by 30 and 24 by 30. So rational numbers between 20 by 30 and 24 by 30 are 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Here, as 20 by 30 has same value as that of 2 by 3 and 24 by 30 has same value as that of 4 by 5. So that means these rational numbers must be present between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Thus, the rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Note that 22 by 30 is same as 11 by 15 that we found earlier. If suppose we did not get three numbers between given numbers even after multiplying their numerator and denominator by 2, then in such case, we would have tried 3, 4, 5 or other number as well. Another method is by using the knowledge of mean. Let's find the rational number by finding mean of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. The mean of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 is 11 by 15. So we got first rational number between the given rational numbers. We write it as 11 by 15 is greater than 2 by 3 and lesser than 4 by 5. Next rational number can be found by mean of 2 by 3 and 11 by 15. So we get 21 by 30. This is another rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Similarly, next rational number can be found by obtaining mean of 11 by 15 and 4 by 5. So we get 23 by 30. This is the third rational number between given rational numbers. Thus, 21 by 30, 11 by 15 and 23 by 30 are three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5.